before we start our lesson today, please check around your seat. Is it clean or not?
No. Messy.
There is so many.
There is so many.
Please pick up the trash.
Miss, may I go
Alright. So the class is so already clear. Before we start our lesson today, it would be better that we are pray together. Pray begin. Finish. Okay, now I will check your attendance. Please say, Isn't or I'm here. Okay? Nabila, Almira, Amanda,
I'm here, Miss.
Gina,
Present, Miss.
Aisyah, Natasha, Marela,
Present, Miss.
Sarah,
I'm here, Miss.
Amira, Salma,
Present, Miss.
Casey,
Present, Miss.
Ilva,
Present, Miss.
Dea,
Present, Miss.
Yus,
Use.
Faiza, and Hilda.
Here.
You are here today. So, do you know what the topic that we learned today?
No.
Okay, good. Have you ever seen a school announcement?
Yes.
Where?
In my
And then in social media like
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. What kind of information did you get from the announcement?
Contact number.
Yes, of course. So that's all called announcement. Okay, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to write a simple announcement correctly and clearly, and then you will be able to present an announcement appropriately. Are you ready to
Yeah.
study, guys?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. To understand this better, let's look at this scenario. It actually happens in the school. So imagine this. The school requires all students to obtain a library clearance card as one of the requirements to take the semester examination. However, the information about the deadline for returning library books, which has been served to the notice board and class group chat, is unclear and highly confusing. As a result, many students are unaware of the exact deadline and are worried about not meeting the requirements. After you reading this scenario, what do you think? Is there problem in this announcement? Yes. What about the problem? What is the problem? Unclear and
Unclear and highly confusing.
good. The scenario is not clear enough for students to understand. So the student confused and unaware about the deadline of the library clearance card. So please pay attention to this text. Please, Gina, to read this text.
Attention student, please return your library books as soon as possible. Student must complete the library requirement for the exam. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Gina. Okay, students, what do you think? There is the text announcement is clear or not?
No.
Why?
There is no deadline.
Yes. In this text, there is the text is too general, right? And does not give specific information. And then, what information is missing from this announcement? Yes, and then good job. So, Salma, please read this text.
Online Art Competition 2021. Ruang School will hold an online art competition to celebrate National Art Day in 2021. Students always enjoy participating in art competitions. It is your time to show off your inner artist. Students can compete in these performance categories: singing, traditional dancing, poem reading. The event will be held on date October 25, 2021, time 9 a.m. until 3 p.m. Join us now. Students can register on our website at www.onlineart2021.com. For more information, contact Rahmat at 091427213539. Sincerely, Hani, Project Officer of Art Day.
Okay, thank you, Salma. So, students, what do you think this text and the text before? There is different, right?
Yes.
Which part of this text is different from the text before?
This text is
Text
more
clear.
clear.
Yes.
Specific at time, date.
So the student can not confuse when they read the announcement, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So, what is the social function of announcement text? The social function of the announcement text is to give information the public about something that has happened or that will happen. So, let's look for this slide. There is the types of announcement that you can see, guys.
Yes.
The first one is the announcement school event, that is like school sport festival, and then the lost and found announcement. It can be lost walk, anything that can lost like bag or motorcycle, car, and others. And the third announcement is scholarship, and then the graduation. When you graduate, you must invite the friend or someone that you know, right?
Yes.
So for the invite, you will make yes, and the last is wedding. So there are the generic structure of announcement text. The first one is opening. The opening of the announcement text will include the title, greeting, or outline. So, let's take a look for this text. Now, from this text, which part of the opening?
Online art competition
2021.
Are you sure?
Yeah. And include the title.
Only title?
Ruang school will online art competition
Good. That is the opening. So, the second generic structure is content. The content provide complete information about what is happening, where and when it will take place, and how people can participate or get involved. So in this part, there is the specific detailed information of the announcement. Okay, let's look for this text again. Which part of the content in this text?
Until competition.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Until the event will be held on
Yeah.
the time for this.
Good. There is the content because include the
Event,
date and time. Yeah, good. And then the last generic structure that is closing. The closing of an announcement includes a reminder, contact person, call to action, thank you, and closing greeting.
The last paragraph.
Yes, that is the last paragraph. Alright. So, from this text, which part of the closing? Why?
Because there is contact person,
Website.
Yes. To action.
Yes, there is the closing because there is include the that is give the information about the contact person, the website, and then the sincerely. So in this closing, we can know where we can find this announcement. Okay. Okay. So let's see this text again. Can you mention what the most tenses is usually used in this text? Yes, but on the announcement there is usually use the simple present tense. But for the simple future there is can use or not, like option. Okay. So what the simple present in this text? Can you mention it?
Students always enjoy participating in sports competition.
Yes, that is the simple present because use verb one. Good. Okay. So you before you mention there is the simple future, right? Can you mention it in this text?
Strong will hold an online art competition.
Right. And then
The event will be held on.
good. So the simple future tense we use the modal
Verb.
like
Will.
good. And then what you see the language feature from this text. What is the text used? Another simple present and a simple future.
Imperative sentence.
Good. Can you find in this text?
Join us now.
Why?
There is
Yes.
mengajak.
Good. That is imperative sentence. And then the last is language feature of action verb. Do you know what is the action verb?
Yes.
The verb to do something. Yes. It's like register and contact. Okay. So there are the language feature of announcement text. The first one is simple present tense, and then simple future tense, and the third is action verb, and the last is imperative sentences. Alright, let's review what the generic structure that we use in the announcement text.
Opening, content, closing.
And then what the information on the opening. The title, the outline of the announcement. And then what about the content?
Date, time, place.
And the last one about the closing.
Contact person. Necessarily.
Yes.
And sign.
Good. So you all already understand about the generic structure, and then the language feature of announcement text we use simple, Okay, good. So I wanna test your understanding. I will give you a quiz. Please, I will send the link in WhatsApp. Can you open the link, guys?
The ID is,
Yes.
what is the ID? Can you send the new link? No, game.
Nine. Please write it down. Nine. Wait. Can you join, guys? Loading nih. Yes.
Gak bisa ya. Loading.
Bansos, minta bansos.
Pakai pakai.
Rasanya doang.
Gak bisa.
Mau bansos, mau bet. Mau.
Kok tadi Miss already taken, Miss?
Saya gulingkan Prabowo.
Apa tuh?
Ayo, udah selesai waktu.
Dia aja belum join. Mau bansos. Udah.
Siapa tuh?
Sorry, Miss.
Belum join saya.
Om.
Mama imut, mama pandai ya. Bentar, Miss.
Oke.
Mikro teacher belum join, Miss.
Sapa Soleha.
Hai, Soleh.
Unable to join the network dance.
Ya.
Bentar, Miss, mikro teacher belum join. Bentar, Miss, bentar. Kamu pakai apa? Itu kali, Pak. Bentar, Miss, join dulu, Miss.
Oke, Miss.
Bentar, Miss.
Start, Miss. Start.
Start, Miss. Kirim ID.
Pagi, wah. 995.
Kok nggak ada Ayu, Miss?
Ya Allah, lindungi Wilky.
Siapa
Wilky sudah.
Nggak ada. Oh, mana ada namanya itu? Oh, Ayu. Itu kok di
Udah sih.
Siapa yang belum?
aku. Ya, Miss.
Okay, we start. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start.
Oh,
Wih, 7 menit lamanya.
Good luck. Mancing dulu ya nih. Mana sih? Kayak
Kan ngapain, Miss, nih?
Jadi ini ngapain nih, Miss?
Oh, mancing soal.
Oh, masih soal.
Oh, ya.
Iya, keras.
Lebih panjang kan? Ih, masuk dapet sepatu.
Dapat kata.
Ih, kakak. Oh my god, incorrect. Ih, salah banget.
Jadi sampai
Okay.
Hah?
Finish. Yes. Who is Enfornole? Can you come with me? And Prabowonut?
Selera, I know that you know.
Okay, please come to.
Gua Prabowo-nya bis. Thank you, Miss. Ngapain? Ayo.
Alright, so you already know about the generic structure and the language feature of announcement text. So the first lesson before I give you a text that is not complete and unclear. So I will give you task in the group. Write it down until the text is completed, and after that you will present in front of the class. Okay? Before that I will divide you into 5. 1, 2,
3,
4. 1,
3, 4, 1,
3.
4, 1, 2,
3.
4.
Okay. Please raise your phone.
1,
2. Here we go.
Berapa ya? Aku berapa? Sejauh apa tuh bisa pergi? Berapa?
Okay. I will Okay, please pay attention, guys.
Pay attention, guys.
Okay, the instruction. The first, please take a look for this text that you mentioned that is the text is not complete and unclear, and make the text Reread is a clear announcement. Make sure your announcement includes during structure, opening, content, and closing, and the language feature, simple present tense, simple future, action, and imperative sentence. But you will make it in this
Also
paper. In this paper. So please make a creative your group. Okay?
May we see it?
Just make a
Buat 5 dong ya?
Miss, may we see the example last time?
you only make a draft, not the full of the text. Yes.
Outline.
Outline.
Difficulties.
Okay. How to make it? Returning library books. The book written period.
Terus harus dipegang dong.
Miss, I want to patrol you, Miss. Miss, I want to ask the other group about their test, Miss. Miss, hey, what about you? Isa. I want to know what is your job. Oh, same like us. Not some like us. Us like, 20 juga nih. Veniru, Miss. Ini apa? Ini apa juga? I'm not cheating, Miss. Just the tanggal. What the tanggal? Date. I want to see your job. That's not 20 December 20. March. Udah lewat.
Okay, finish guys. Yes, who want to present their announcement in front of the class?
I got me plus so I want to get plus 2.
Me.
Okay.
Please group
3.
come to the Okay, please pay attention for group 4 guys. Okay, do you? Okay, your job is check that is the group 4 include the title, the content, and the closing, and then use imperative sentences, action verb, and doing is clear or not in their right announcement text. Okay, do you get it?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, please group 4 present your text.
Attention all students. Announce
Yes.
is to inform all students. That all borrowed library books must be returned to the school library before the final examination. Present period, the date is March 10 until March 14, and the time is from 8 p.m. until 2 p.m. and until 2 p.m.
Please return your library books as soon as possible. Students must complete the library requirements for the exam. For more information,
contact Dayat.
Dayat.
17 5 6 7 5 7 Thank you for your attention and cooperation issued by the school library staff.
Okay, thank
Dayat.
you. Give applause for group 4. Why? From group 1. Three. The title in this group all right. Present or not? Yeah, there is or not?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
It say announcement.
Yes.
It is the title specific.
The title.
Oh, the
specific. They can give a little information.
Yes. And what about the content? That is the title. Give a specific detail.
Yes. There's date, time, place. I can see this.
Okay. What about the closing?
Yes. Contact person. Person and Daya. This is Daya.
And that is the group 4 use the simple present tense. or
Yes.
not?
Yes. Yes.
And action verb.
Yes.
Say it to your content.
return, complete, contact. Yes.
Okay, good. So the group 4 make a clear announcement, but not specific in the title.
That's okay.
It's
We are
okay.
bored.
Yes.
Good job.
I will give something.
Kita yang identify dengan baik, Miss. No.
We will get it to next. Okay, for the group 1, please present your text.
Yes.
Aku baca nih. Announcement speech competition. Attention all students. The English Club of SMP Harapan Bangsa will hold on English speech competition. Date on Friday, March 15th, 2025. Time 8 a.m. until 12 a.m. p.m. Place school hall. For further information and registration, please contact the English teacher. Thank you for your attention. Sandal English Club Committee.
Okay, give applause for group 1. Who listen the group 1 present?
Our group. Yes, there is title, content, additional details, closing, announcement. Yes, all right. Complete this.
Okay. Good job, group 1.
judge, Miss.
We have to judge, guys.
Okay, let's review. What are the topic that we learned today? What are the generic structure of announcement text? And what about the language feature? You're so smart, guys. Okay, before the time is almost up, let's oh yeah, let's collect your okay, let's collect your board one by one. Group 1 until group 4 to me. Right now. Wait. Group 1. Okay, group 1 done. Group 2. Group 2. And group 3. Okay, and then the last group. Okay. Okay, thank you for your participating in my class. I'm so happy. And I'm so happy to. Thank you. See your participate in my class, you're active, and then you understand about the materials. So the last is I will give you homework.
No problem, because you are so diligent, Miss. Saya les di GO, Miss.
Saya intern, Miss.
Okay.
Sudah biasa banyak.
Okay, for the homework, please listen. Please find one announcement you see from the board. Find one announcement.
Miss, kenapa tulisan announcement, Miss?
A N double N
Lagi menyusahin
O
aja.
U
Oke.
N
Miss.
C E M E N T.
Itu iya Pak Amis. Oh, Oke, Miss.
Okay, please listen. The homework is please find one announcement in social media or in the book that you see, and then please write what is the content of the announcement. Identify. Yes, you are
Print out or
creative.
write, Miss?
Identify the generic structure and the language feature.
Yes.
And then please bring it to next week. Good. You will get the plus point. You will get the plus point. It can be print or you can write it on book. will share and discuss it together.
Okay, Miss. The social media, any types of social media, Miss?
No.
Instagram. Just Instagram.
If your mother get the announcement,
Understand, Miss.
okay.
Understand, Miss.
Good, my students.
Yes.
So, are you understand about the homework?
Yes.
No. We will repeat the
Next material.
yes.
This
No.
material, Miss.
The first we will discuss the homework you make, and then it will start to next the
Miss.
what
Can I discuss it with my mother, Miss?
yes,
With
you
your
can share it with your boyfriend.
Miss, in the book or piece of paper? Miss, I have book. Miss, I have my note. Miss,
Good. If you write it down in the book,
Yes.
and then if we get the better mark grade,
So I will get. Yes. Miss.
Good. At some homework, Miss. Jangan satu aja, Miss.
No, Miss.
Miss, I am the winner of this class, Miss.
good.
Gak bisa
Aisha.
ngerjain cuma satu pr.
You're so diligent.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, let's close our class today. Before that, let's say Hamdalah. Yes, thank you, and see you next week, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Miss.
Matikan nih.